Shadow Ops 4. Let's take it down. Pretty simple. Chopper does all the distraction. And the controllers just start beating the snot out of the base. Here he comes. Gotta get these guys coming to you. As soon as they come, kill them. We're going to go wherever the chopper goes and kill all the troops here. Okay, here comes another one. Is that going to get him? No. Let's go over here and see where it takes us. Okay, now we're going to have to take out this one. The rail will do some damage to you. Going to have to go back over here. Usually these guys come out a lot sooner than this. They did not this time. You got to be careful. The back one moves, the front one does not. Interesting, he didn't move. Normally he moves. There he is. Just pick it apart. If your chopper dies, which you will, get out, start again, see if you can get this one in before he dies. That'll give us a little leeway. He's going to die any second here, so when he does, get out, because they will attack you and they will do some serious damage to your controllers. Okay, that's it. Get out. Set it up again. We're just coming in. Chopper can engage. Whatever they engage, you just go kill it. Go slowly. They will engage you. Let's see who we can kill over here. Again, all the chopper does is distract, so that you end up getting almost no damage. Just shoot them as they come. A little pain in the butt right here. He's dead. Oh, look out, here they come. When they start coming, get away, because they will kill your controllers right away. Engage, engage. As long as they get one chopper to shoot at, you're okay. Keep your eye on these guys. These guys will really do you in. He's dead. Now just let them shoot the air. The air's flying around, so they'll connect with the air. There they go. They're starting to shoot the air now. Just let your controllers sit there, and they'll lock onto the air, because the air will do you some serious damage. So just let them find the air. Once the air's gone, we'll do some more attacking over here. When he loops back, these guys will lock on. Well, if they choose not to, we'll just continue fighting. Okay, here they come. You can tell when they start twitching. Watch them. Here's being a problem. There you go. He's got the air. That chopper's going down, and now we got to get out of there. Got to get out of there. As a perfect example. It's not the end of the world. Come on in. Let's see what we got left. Very little. Tower and him. That's it. That's all you got. You just got to get them to engage. There we go. There we go. Now we're going to bring our controllers in, and we're done. As long as they're shooting the air, we are perfectly safe. Should be it. That's all she wrote. It's just that simple. See what we got. I don't need any of it, but so be it. I did it so I could see what I have. All right, send them home. Make an opening. I don't think they got much damage. They got a little bit, not much. Let's see. Then we'll shut her down. "12 minutes. So what we'll do, somebody got it. Yeah, he got it. He got it. 3 minutes. 4 minutes. And the other one should be even less. 4 minutes. So, automatic repair, nothing. That was it. We're done.